I knew I was gonna have I'm having the hardest time getting my car to start right now, and I have to be to work in 2 minutes. So I knew something like this was gonna happen. Of course, I can't have a perfect winter, and my car was doing fine, and I got my hopes up. I was like, gosh, yes, my car's been working every day. It's been hella cold out, and my car's still starting up like it's got no problem. But woke up today, took my shower and stuff, came out here, and sure enough, not gonna happen, not happening. Damn, it's bright as hell outside. Hold on, let me put these on. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna call Chili's. I'm gonna tell them exactly what's going on here. And you guys can be on the line with me while I call them. Let's see here. I have to be there at 11:15. Okay, hold on. God, and it's cold outside. Shit. What's up, Kayla? It's Isaiah. Is the manager in? Okay. Bad luck, bad luck, bad luck. Hey, I'm having the hardest time in the world getting my car to start. I'm gonna, what do you say? Walk there? Start walking. I'm gonna keep on trying, and then if I have any, okay, yeah, for sure. Tell me to hold on. Yeah. Okay. Oh, really? Oh, that would have been nice. Huh. Well, yeah, I'm gonna definitely keep trying, and I'll let you guys know. Okay, for sure. Thanks, Melissa. Alright, yeah, bye-bye. Well, there we go. It's time to keep trying, so let's go on in the car here. Got 30 minutes to try. They're gonna give me a 5-table section today. That would have been sweet. Bum bum bum. Okay. Ooh, not good. Nah, definitely does not sound good. Alright, well, it's starting to do that little crunching thing, you know, when you rev it too much and you try to start it too much. Damn. I'm gonna call my mom and see if she can run me to the gas station when she gets here. And then grab some gas, throw it in the car. Hopefully that'll warm up everything that's in there. Get it going, so thanks for hanging in there with me, y'all. Sorry, Chili's. You know, I wish I could have been there. Yeah, we'll get it going. Play no games.